So I'm Morgan, I'm from Bablot, and we're building a chatbot for Shopify. My team here is Dylan, Nyla, I'm Morgan, and we have Mr. Blabsalot, which is our personality of our chatbot. The opportunity that we see here is that Shopify already has 275,000 stores. Currently, Shopify has just only weeks ago released a Shopify for Facebook Messenger, where customers going onto a Shopify website can look up on their purchases and track their purchases. And just recently, Shopify also acquired Kit, which is a CRM that helps entrepreneurs who manage Shopify stores manage their daily tasks. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, well, Shopify is currently doing something with Messenger, but the problem that we want to solve is create new channels from Facebook into Shopify with a self-serving chatbot that helps educate customers about niche products. So the demo here is right here. The great thing about this Shopify bot is that I can use any store that's on Shopify. So I can just input this store right here. Let's say shumi.ca, which is a Shopify store. And this, of course, would be on a entrepreneur side where they have a portal they can upload this. Then now I can view the categories. So let's say I was looking through these products. I can see the categories. Let's say I want some slip-on shoes. They look pretty nice. Let's add it to my cart. I can then in here view my cart and see what's there. Let's say I want to shop more, and it takes me back to the top. Let's add a sandal. This one looks pretty good too. I seem to like pink a lot. And then right now, I'd like to check out. So here, by clicking this button, it'll take me to the Shumi store, where I can securely check out. Just to show you that I can upload any Shopify website, I'm going to restart the server and do it again. So let's try the Skull store now. Skull store right here. And right now I only have categories implemented, but it would be cool to have featured where we have the most discounted products, as well as recommended where we take the profile that the Shopify bot is interacting with and do some machine learning to recommend products. So let's do categories. And now we have whole new categories here from the Skull store. So let's say I want an antique and add that to cart.
And time.
Great.
Judges, your questions.
Question for you. A bot
Sure.
seems like a great thing for something where I know exactly what I want to do, and I want something to go out there and do it for me, execute on it, get me a ride, get me a pizza, whatever it might be. Shopping seems to be a different kind of activity. I know I want something, but I'm not quite sure what. How is this a better experience to shop for something rather than execute something?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think that in the future, building in frequent answered questions into certain products would be really, really nice. So instead of just going onto a store where I'm shopping by myself, I feel like I have a friend from the actual store that I'm interacting with, where I can, ask a question and it'll respond immediately versus having to wait let's say I send an email to customer service and wait, a day to get a response back.
How do you make money?
So Shopify has a marketplace currently, and it's very popular, and the best way to do it is to start with the freemium model where you get the people to try the application. And so this would look like a two-week free model, and then you move into on a SaaS-based subscription.
How much do you think you're going to charge for it?
Because of the ease of implementing, I would say about $7 a month as a start, and then you could have other features, kind of like I said about the categories featured or recommended. You could start with categories being free, featured being another plus, where you can send promotions with notifications, and then finally, recommended would be another tier.
How long have you been working on this?
We've just been working on this for the last day and a half. We are a chatbot company. We're exploring the best use case for chatbots in several areas. We've started with rental property managers, looking at colleges, and now we're looking into e-commerce and Shopify.
Have you guys raised capital?
No, not at all. And we're actually based out of Waterloo, Canada, in an incubator called Velocity Garage.
And